We've just acquired this Focus 2 litre TDCi. It's the ST line limited edition red. So you get the gloss black alloy wheels and the gloss black roof. It's in lovely condition throughout. Rear park distance control, has satellite navigation as well. Boot area is in lovely condition with the carpet mats. Sport seats with the red stitched piping, electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start the car up. It's got sink, air conditioning, got Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, it's just boosting up, cruise control on this car, automatic headlights, your sat nav and your Parktronic there. At DJH full dealer facilities. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.